Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the ONGC Limited. So ONGC is going to recruit for the graduate trainees in engineering and geoscience discipline through GATE 2023. Let's see the details here. When we talk about first of all the pay scale will be 60,000 to 1,80,000. The post level will be E1 and other allowances and benefits are also available. And when we talk about the name of post and what is the eligibility criteria, let's have a look here. So AEE cementing mechanical, the category will be C. Candidate must have a engineering degree in mechanical with minimum 60% marks, and the candidate must have a GATE subject and code with the ME, right, mechanical engineering. Same with the petroleum category E, minimum 60% marks, BE, BTech with petroleum engineering. Civil, same category B, C, D and E is available. In engineering degree in civil with minimum 60% marks. When we talk about the mechanical drilling, the process is same, category C. AEE petroleum drilling, okay, category C, other process is same. Electrical, electronics and instrumentation is also there. In electrical it is category B, C, D and E, same here, B, C, D and E, and the candidate must have a engineering degree with minimum 60% marks in the respective branch. Okay, instrumentation is also there, mechanical in production also there, chemical, environmental, and okay, other branches are also available. You can see the details here. Now let me tell you about the age limit. Now let's see the age limit. So here the age limit, okay, the age limit will be applicable from the 31st July 2023. For the age limit for all posts except AEE drilling and cementing, maximum is for unreserved candidate, means for the general it is 30 and for the different categories it is different mention here. For AEE drilling and cementing, the maximum age limit will be 28 years, and for the reservation categories it is mentioned already here. Now when we talk about the number of posts, as it is mentioned here, the number of posts with reservation for SC, ST, OBC and other candidate will be posted okay, on this website only. The official notification you will get here only, www.ongcindia.com. Now what is the selection process? Selection process is purely based on the GATE 2023 score. Okay, so let's see GATE 2023, the eligible or desirous candidates having the essential qualification, whatever is it mentioned, BE or BTech degree with minimum 60% marks, okay, and you have to appear in the GATE 2023. Now other than this, as it is mentioned that the marks obtained in GATE 23 in the subject mentioned against the post of the ONGC, whatever you are applying for, okay, and then the selection process after this one, the candidate will be called for the personal interview as per the criteria decided by the management. So here no GATE scorecard is decided till now, okay, it will be decided by the management. How to apply? Candidates will have to apply separately, okay, through online ONGC, for which link will be activated on April or May 2023. So you can go on this website and after the link will be activated you can apply. So after the GATE exam result only you can apply. First of all, this is the important thing. The exact date and period of the go live of online application will be updated on this registered website only, right? Now applying for GATE, as though this is already we uploaded. Now this thing, as I told you, the activation of link, you can go through this website ONGC India, ongcindia.com, and the link will be active tentatively on the April or May 2023. So you can go through this detailed advertisement through this website also. Okay guys, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. Thank you.